In order to complete your next assignment, you're going to need to go to the cashcourse.org website. To do that, type in cashcourse.org. You'll be taken to the home page. From there, you're going to need to create your own account. You're going to scroll down, see this student section right here. Click register for a free account. You guys are going to need to input your information, first name, last name, provide your email address, create your own password, meet whatever the criteria is down here, confirm your password, select California, and then for the school, you need to put in Santiago Canyon College. Okay, you will agree and select I'm not a robot. When you get to the next page, it's going to ask you your professor's name, and it's going to give you a list of choices. Make sure you look for my name, Shasta Campbell. Select my name, and it'll show you all the assignments that I have already set aside for you. There should only be 6 assignments. You guys need to complete all 6 assignments in order to complete the task in cashcourse.org for this lesson. When you complete these lessons, the assignment will be completed. However, there will be a cashcourse.org quiz in this module that come from the various different tasks. Most of the questions are from some of the assignments that you did in here, so if you want to write things down and be able to use them on the quiz, please feel free to do this. Okay, so make sure that you're selecting Santiago Canyon College as the school, not whatever high school or homeschool that you are using, and look for my name, Shasta Campbell, as your instructor's names, and it'll be taken directly to the assignments that I have selected for you. Any questions, you guys send me an email and I'll be glad to help you out. Good luck!